Unlock the future of your digital assets by setting up your SafePal wallet in just minutes. First things first, let's get the SafePal app onto your device. Head over to your app store. That's the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android phones, and search for SafePal. Tap Install and let the app download. Once that's done, find the SafePal icon on your home screen and tap to open it. Now, let's create your secure wallet. Tap on Create and Import at the bottom of the screen, and then select Create Wallet. You'll be asked to choose a wallet type for a brand new setup. Select Software Wallet. This is the digital wallet on your phone. This next step is crucial. SafePal will now present you with your unique recovery phrase. This is a list of 12 or 24 words. Write these down immediately on a piece of paper, offline, and store them in a safe, secure location. Never share this phrase with anyone, and never store it digitally. This phrase is your only backup if you lose access to your phone. Once you've securely written down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to verify it by tapping the words in the correct order. This ensures you've recorded them accurately. After verifying your phrase, you'll set a strong password for your app. This password protects your wallet from unauthorized access on your device. Congratulations! Your SafePal wallet is now created. You'll land on the main dashboard. To add cryptocurrencies, tap the plus icon and browse the list of supported coins. You can then tap Add next to the ones you want to manage. To receive crypto, tap on the coin you want to receive, then select Receive. This will show you your unique wallet address. Share this address to receive funds. For enhanced security, explore the Security tab. Here you can set up fingerprint unlock, define transaction password settings, and even enable anti-phishing features. Dive into these settings to customize your protection. Understanding your recovery phrase is paramount. It's your golden ticket to accessing your funds from any device. Always prioritize its security. You've now successfully set up your SafePal wallet and are ready to navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Welcome to decentralized finance.